In this video, we'll explore how to make your learning management system, or LMS, a real hub for student learning. How can you set up your course space so it doesn't just host materials, but actively supports engagement and understanding? Start by thinking of the LMS as the central hub of your teaching. Whether you're teaching in a lecture hall, running a workshop, or giving an online course, your course space on the LMS allows learning to take place before, during, and after your meetings. To get there and utilize its full potential, instead of only posting slides and PDFs, the LMS should have an integrative role in the course. A clear structure of your course space will already support students' learning and strengthen their engagement. Start with a clear entry point, welcome your students, and explain how to get started. Then, keep a steady rhythm. For example, each week or topic might begin with a short overview or learning outcomes. Continue with resources to explore, provide an opportunity to test understanding, and finish with a short task for review or reflection. This kind of consistency reduces confusion and allows students to focus on what really matters. Effective use of the LMS also facilitates active participation in class. Provide readings or videos with guiding questions in advance, so students arrive better prepared for live sessions. This way, class time can focus on discussion, practice, and feedback. And because everything remains available online, students can revisit the materials whenever they need, whether to prepare, catch up, revise, or deepen their understanding. This approach is known as flipped classroom. The LMS also opens space for interaction outside the classroom. Digital spaces for discussion and collaboration give students the opportunity to share ideas, respond to each other, and keep conversations going between class meetings. These ongoing exchanges allow ideas to grow more deeply than they could in a single live session. Another way the LMS supports learning is by providing short, straightforward assessments, such as quizzes. These are effective learning activities, not just tests. When students repeatedly retrieve knowledge in small doses, they strengthen memory and build confidence. The LMS makes it easy to integrate these activities and to give quick feedback. Finally, the LMS can help students manage their own learning journey. Clear deadlines, reminders, and visible progress indicators allow students to see where they stand, to plan their next steps, and reflect on how they're doing. For many students, this support in organizing and monitoring their learning is just as valuable as the course content itself. Altogether, the LMS is much more than a container for content. As you plan your next course, consider: is my LMS space clear and predictable? Does it encourage students to participate actively, both in and outside of class? Does it help them to take ownership of their progress? Your use of the LMS can transform how students experience learning in your course.